Hey, what's up, tubers and Facebook friends? I'm coming at you from the basement, and today I wanted to do a review of the Ozark Trail 21-piece camping survival kit. And the reason I bought this, I was actually going to make a video about like $100 bug out bag. You could buy, buy the items at Walmart, and so at my local Walmart, instead of calling it the camping aisle, I always call it the survival aisle. And so I was up there looking around. I've been looking for the stainless steel canteen cups. I think they cost $6 now. They used to cost $4, but I really like those from Walmart. But I ain't been able to find it, or this year. I don't know if they're gonna put more out this year or not. It's just now getting the camping season. But anyway. So I was looking for this $100 worth of bug out bag items, or get home bags, what I like to call them. I noticed this, and I was like, I wonder what's in this thing, if it's any good. Immediately, the thing, I've never opened this, so this video is the first time it'll be opened. And the first thing I noticed was a MOLLE webbing. So it's a MOLLE pack. That's the first thing I noticed. Alright, we're just going to take this off here. So how good of a MOLLE pack, I do not know. It's probably something that's sold on Temu. But we're going to take it apart. We're going to open her up, see what happens, see what's in here. It's supposed to be I think a flashlight, knife. I'm the kind of person who believes, sometimes survival items only need to work good once. Say if you're like me, you got 4 vehicles, you may not be able to put big, extravagant bug out bags in each one of them. You may not be able to afford it. So maybe if you have a bunch of cheap items and you get in a pinch where you need some of the items to survive, maybe one time's all they need to work. But I like to kind of tailor each vehicle, and first thing, it's got a zip tie holding the zippers together. I'll have to deal with that. There it is, maybe. Okay. Maybe I didn't tear it up too bad. Alright, here we go. See what's in here. Cardboard's in here. This is so here's a head mosquito net. Oh, look at this inside here. We're gonna look at the head mosquito net. Alright, it's definitely chinky, but it would keep mosquitoes out. Okay, they're right over here. 2 chem sticks, chem lights, I should say. This is a 550 cord bracelet, I think. I don't know what I guess it's a striker for a ferro rod. Maybe that's a ferro rod. I don't know, that may be the ferro rod. It's got a little bitty compass right there. I'll have to study this a little bit harder, but I think it might even have a whistle. Yeah. I don't know if it's supposed to come out, or it looks like it might be a ferro rod, but if it is, it looks like it might could break these two two prongs here. I don't know. But so there's your survival bracelet. Over here we got the old Ozark Trail flashing light. Either it ain't got no batteries in it or they're dead. I think it ain't got, probably ain't got none in it. This is supposed to be like 220 lumen. It does not have no batteries in it. So it might take one AA, I don't know. Here's a spoon. Maybe it's got a whistle too. Whistle while you eat, I reckon. Oh, look at that. It's got a spoon knife combo. Sport. And here's the knife that it's supposed to, Ozark Trail knife. Doesn't feel very sharp. It does have a serrated edge right here, but as far as the blade, it's not very sharp. Maybe cut cardboard, I don't know. Maybe. Alright, what else we got? So I showed you the 550 bracelet. Right here's a little bit, I don't even know if it might be 550 cores, just a little bit. I'll tell you what it's supposed to be. They don't say how much, it just says, okay, it's supposed to be 13.1 feet of cord. There's no way that's, right here's the actual one. I don't know what that's for, but it's not, this is the paracord. It's 13 feet paracord. Alright, over here we got another pocket knife. It's got, there's your blade. Got a can opener. Got a little pair of scissors. We'll try the scissors out. There's another can opener, I guess. Maybe a flat tip screwdriver. And you got a corkscrew on the back and a Phillips head screwdriver, looks like. So, oh, there's something else here that was right in the middle. Looks like a little file, maybe a flat head. No, it don't come out, I don't guess. It's coming out, but it's hard. Oh, I got it out, but I don't know what use it is. It looks like a little bitty file or something. All right, we're gonna try the. So here. I think it's harder to cut the cardboard than the than the other one, but anyway, try the scissors out. Alright, the scissors are pretty chinky. I don't think the scissors are going to be of much use. Nah, the scissors ain't much use on this thing. But I wanted to try this, but you know, so my viewers know whether not to buy this. So anyway, that's that. All right. Oh, okay. So here's your striker, fire rod and striker. That would be that. Maybe I need to untie it. I threw a little bit of spark there. After you wear the paint off, it may throw more spark. Anyway, so it does work. I think this is like a bottle, water bottle carrier holder, like a water. It goes around the neck of the water bottle. Carry it or something. All right. Now here's a little bitty shovel. About the size of one of them flower bed shovels you buy. Just got a little compass on the end of it too. Guess it might be a little bit better than digging with your hands. And you tighten it up right here probably. Okay. So there's your little bitty folding shovel. Like I say, it might be better than digging. You can dig a cat hole poop in or something, or maybe bury your food, your old food wrappers. I don't know. I don't know if it's eco-friendly bury food wrappers. I'm sure somebody will let me know about it. Maybe, I don't know what you'd use that for. Gotta look at don't know. I think it must be a tool too. Part of it. Anyway, so it comes with, yeah, a pouch. Alright. Here's supposed to be one of the commando saws, wire saw. I don't know how well that'll work. It's got another whistle. We got another whistle on the keychain. So you got plenty of whistles. I found at least 3 items that's got whistles attached to them. And you got a little carabiner. Yeah. I wouldn't trust my life with it. It's pretty small. Got a little bitty pair of scissors. Hopefully they work better than the ones on the pocket knife. They do. Got clean through it pretty easy. Alright. I think this is supposed to be a survival card here. We're going to take a look at this thing. It's got a little card in here to tell you what all the items are. And it's got a diagram on the back of the tool. But here's what the tool looks like in real life. The survival card. So it's got a serrated edge here. I don't think it's got no knife blade, but got like a serrated edge here. Well, that didn't work so well. I don't know. Anyway, there you go, people. And, so there it is, the unboxing, unwrapping of the Ozark Trail 21 piece survival kit, camping kit. I'm out.